Hi guys, in this video we will start from scratch about solid modeling in Creo. So let's begin by launching PTC Creo Parametric 3.0 from desktop as run as administrator. Here close the welcome to Creo window and maximize the Creo interface. Here click on home tab, data panel, new, a dialog box will open. Select type of module as part and subtype as solid. Uncheck use default template option and click OK. Scroll down and select MMNS part solid template from the list of templates. Then click OK. So this is part module interface having different tools related to part modeling. Here we have model tab having different panels. Importantly, datum, shapes, engineering and editing panel. Here we have file menu containing self-explanatory options and recent files history. Now select options from here containing different customizable options. Select model display and set default model orientation as isometric. Now select sketcher and check dock user defined dimensions and make the sketching plane parallel to the screen as well. Now go to system colors. Here you can customize colors associated to various entities. Then click OK. So this is quick access toolbar. You can customize this as well. This is graphics toolbar containing options about drawing display. This is model tree storing all your work for each feature during solid modeling. This is part modeling interface. Like and subscribe for part modeling future videos.